to sum up the first essay of the Genealogy of Morals, which concerns the slave revolt in morality, you could put it the following manner. Morality has to do with, just as all of life has to do with games. Morality is a game, or human existence is a game. And like in any game, I have been used this analogy in the other video, like in any game, there are winners and losers. And for most of human history, the winners were the winners and the losers were the losers. But the slave revolt in morality means that the losers have changed the rules of the game. They've managed to amass enough of them, simply sheer numbers, to change the rules of the game, where no longer do the winners win and the losers lose, but rather the losers win and the winners lose. It's almost literally out of the gospel. The first will be last and the last will be first. The rich, woe to the rich, blessed are the poor. Christianity and Judaism, for Nietzsche, represent the losers changing the rules of the game such that losing becomes winning and winning becomes losing. He gives an example in section 16 on page 53. He says, which of them, masters or slaves, in this context, it's Rome, or in the terms of the Roman Empire, and Judea, in the place for masters and slaves, which of them has won for the present, Rome or Judea? But there can be no doubt, consider to whom one bows down in Rome itself today, as if they were the epitome of all the highest values, right? Well, and not only in Rome, but over almost half the earth, everywhere that man has become tame or desires to become tame, 3 Jews, as it is known, and 1 Jewess, Jesus of Nazareth, the fisherman, Peter, the rug weaver, Paul, and the mother of the aforementioned Jesus, Mary. This is very remarkable. Rome has been defeated beyond all doubt. In other words, again, the weak have managed to make weakness strength, and strength weakness. There's even a famous quote from, I think, 2 Corinthians, where St. Paul says, cum vero infermo tunc potent sum, when I'm weak, then I'm strong. This, for Nietzsche, is just the epitome of the revaluation of values that occurred initially with the slave revolt in morality, where natural values, the way reality just is, was inverted. Nature was flipped on upside down, where power became weakness and weakness became power. It was a genius idea, and you have to give credit, and the devil is due, although I don't know if Nietzsche would say that, to slave morality, in that it's an absolute genius morality that managed to defeat those in power.